Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video will be on the topic the top 5 face brushes that you need to have in your vanity to do your face makeup. So yeah, and if you are new to my channel, hi, this is me Anusha, and if you like my content then don't forget to like, comment and share. And please do subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me. So without any more further delay, let's move into the video. Bye bye. So the first brush that you need is a brush like this, a flat top brush. It is used to blend your foundation, and this brush is from PAC. This is PAC 265, as you can see. It's a very nice brush. The bristles are so soft, and look at their packaging. It's so sturdy, and even the bristles don't shred, and you can blend your foundation very easily like this on a dabbing motion. It's a very nice brush, and it does not even give any brush stroke as well. And see, this is how it looks like. It's a very dense brush, and you need this kind of a brush in your makeup vanity to blend out your foundation. And the cost of this is rupees 535, I guess. Yeah, it's 535. I'll mention all the prices in the description box. And if you don't want to spend so much money on one single brush, then you can get this. This is again a same flat top brush. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is the Swiss Beauty Foundation Blender F06 brush. It's again a very nice brush. It's not that soft like the PAC one, but it is a very nice brush. In an affordable range, it is the best brush you can get. And the cost of it is rupees 229. Yeah, it's 229, but on discount you will get it at rupees within 170 or 180. It's not more than that, and it blends your foundation seamlessly. It's a very nice brush. And sometimes I wonder, how do this brand make such amazing products at this cheap rate? Like seriously. And look at their packaging, it's much better than the PAC one even. But yeah, you can get this as well. It's a very nice brush. So these are the two brushes that I recommend. This is the PAC one, and this is the Swiss Beauty one. You can get any one of them. Both does the same job. These are my go-to foundation brushes that I use, and even if you want, you can use a beauty blender as well. It's all up to you. And now we will move on to a concealer brush. The concealer brush that I'll talk about is this one. This is again from PAC. This is PAC 219 brush. This is a very nice brush. Look at the top. It's flat in front, and it's quite fluffy as well. It blends your concealer very nicely. And again, look at the packaging. It's a sturdy packaging, and the bristles does not even shred. It's soft, you can use it. And I won't recommend any other concealer brush because this is the single concealer brush that I have, and the price of it is again, I guess, around 400. Yeah, it's 395. You can get it from Nykaa. It's a very nice brush. It's a very nice brush. I love this. So the next brush that we will talk about is a powder brush, obviously, and again this is from PAC Cosmetics. This is their PAC 245 brush. See, it is a kind of a tapered, fluffy kind of a brush. It's very soft. It's a medium sized brush, and you can set your under eyes with it, you can set your face, and even you can apply your blush with it. It's a very nice brush. And again, look at the packaging. The same PAC packaging, but it's a quite sturdy packaging. You can get it. It's a very nice brush, and the cost of it is rupees 485. And yeah, you can get it from Nykaa. Again, you can get it from Amazon as well. In an affordable range, if you want a powder brush, then I will recommend this one. This is from Swiss Beauty. It's again in the same shape, but it's size bigger than that. It's their Swiss Beauty Compact F02 brush. Again, you can set your face, you can apply your blush, you can apply your bronzer, and even you can set your whole face like this. Overacting हो गया ज़्यादा, I know, but क्या कर सकते, leave it. And yeah, the cost of it is again rupees 229, and on discount you will get it at on discount you will get it at rupees 170 or 180, not more than that. Nowadays I'm falling in love with Swiss Beauty products. I don't know why. They are so good. Their concealer, oh my god, we will talk about that later in another video. So these are the two brushes that I'll recommend you to apply your powder, and as well as you can apply your blush, bronzer, anything that you want. You can get any one of it. It's all up to you. So let's move on to the next one. Next brush that I'll talk about is a contour brush or a bronzer brush. Generally you don't need a bronzer brush or a contour brush, but I have it, that's why I'm showing it. You can obviously use these brushes to apply your bronzer, anything that you want, but this is my actually this is my first pack brush that I have, and I bought it to apply my foundation, but पैसा ज़्यादा हो गया तो इसीलिए एक फाउंडेशन ब्रश भी खरीद लिया. And yeah, this is the brush. This is from PAC. This is their 247 brush, and this is a sort of an angular brush, but the top is flat, it's dense. You can apply your bronzer like this, and mainly I use this to blend my foundation because I am not a bronzer person. So yeah, if you want to get a contour brush in your makeup vanity, you can definitely buy this. And this is, and the cost of this is around 550, I can't remember the exact price, but it's around 550. So yeah, you can get this. So the next and the last brush that I'll recommend is a blush brush. This is the blush brush that I have. This is again from PAC. This is PAC 216 brush. This is a fluffy kind of a brush. It's how will I explain, it's very fluffy, it's very much dense, so that you can apply your blush like this. You can use this to apply your powder as well. You can set your face with this, and again you can apply your bronzer like this. These two brushes are very similar, but this one is more tapered sort of a brush, and this is a flat top fluffy brush. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. And in an affordable range you can get this brush. This actually comes in a set of 10. I got it from Amazon, and the price was not that much high. The price was around, I guess, 350, and it comes in a set of 10. And even you can get these brush. This is from Miniso. Just look at the packaging. I love it so much. This is so pretty. And this is again a fluffy brush. You can again set your face with it, apply your blush with it, anything which you want. Again it comes in a set of 3, like see. This is how the packaging looks, and this is how the brush looks. And these 3 cost for rupees 490. I got it from Amazon. You can also get it from the Miniso store itself. Oh yes, and yes, the cost of the PAC blush brush is rupees 535, and if you don't want to spend that much money, you can get these 3 brushes from Miniso as well at rupees 490. And again you can get this brush set of 10 from Amazon as well at rupees 350. Anything that you want, it's all up to you. I'm recommending all these brushes for blush. See, so many brushes. Last thing that I'll recommend is a highlighter brush. Again, you don't need a brush to apply your highlighter. I mean, you need a brush to apply your highlighter, but you don't need another separate brush to apply your highlighter. You can apply this powder brush as well to apply your highlighter, but I have this kind of a brush. This is again from Amazon. So these are the only two brushes that I have, I mean from that set of 10, because the rest of them were nice, but I lost them because I got the new ones and I lost the old ones. And basically I use this one to apply my highlighter. This is a tapered sort of a brush, and again this is soft, it's very soft, but the packaging is not that good. I'm not happy with the packaging. It's not sturdy and sometimes the bristles do come off. But yeah, you can definitely use it up to like 2-3 years. You can use it. I'm using it since 3 years maybe. Yeah, 3 years maybe. And it's a very nice brush. You can again apply your powder with it and set your face with it and apply your highlighter with it. So yeah, this is the brush that I'll recommend you to buy for a highlighter. Generally you don't need a highlighter brush. You can use any of your powder brush to apply your highlighter, but if you want, I'm talking if you want, you can obviously get it. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope this video will be helpful for you, especially for the beginners who don't have that much idea about brushes and all, and they end up buying a lot of brushes, because I used to do it when I was a beginner. I got lots and lots of brushes from very cheap brands, I would say, and those were horrible, like horrible. Mark my words, those were horrible. So these are the brushes that I will recommend you to get. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, comment, and do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So till then, bye bye, take care.